Hey everyone, Craig from It Takes Two to Toku here with another unboxing video. This just came in today from Big Bad Toy Store. And yeah, we're gonna open it up and see what we got. Alright, got my trusty scissors here. This. Like a beauty. It's the package. Thank you, Big Bad Toy Store. Sticker, very nice. Oh, there we have it. Power Rangers Lightning Collection Power Lance. Go. Alright, so you got some really nice box art here. You got the Blue Ranger, of course, always my favorite, Billy, right here. And then showing off the Power Lance. Looks like it's not in its extended mode. Got it on the stand. And then on the back, you have it displayed in the other way, which the X pattern, I think I like that better. That's probably how I'm going to display it. We got here, we got the unextended and the extended displays right here also. So yeah, let's open her up. Scissors again. Very nice. All right, let's get her out of the box. There we go. Most importantly, the stand. Very nice. Good detailing. The gold there on Billy's helmet, very nice. There we go. The stand is clearly what you came for, so I'm glad I'm able to present that to you. And yeah, thank you for joining me, and see you next time. Right? Obviously, I'm kidding. I think I did the same joke on the Power Sword review, so don't expect any originality from me. But yeah, let's get to the main event. There we go. Oh, that's a nice weight to it. I can feel it pulling down on my hand. That's pretty good. This feels pretty solid, the blade portion. There we go. Very nice. Nice detailing. I like the gold point on here. They used a nice paint for that. You know, I think we're all expecting it. It's a little on the small side, but you know, it works. I like it. It's extended. How do we go? There we go. Very nice. Get the other one out here. Box out of here. Yeah, same as the first half. Nice gold paint. They go well together. There we go. Not a bad size. You know, kind of. You know, not exactly what I remember in the show, but the size works. Let's see if we can figure out how to put it together. Oh, there we have it. Is that right? Yeah, there we have it. This is obviously the unextended version. Put it on the stand here, see how it looks. Very nice. Alright, now let's pull these out, see how it looks fully extended. Alright. Nice length. I don't even know if that's all in the shot. Let's see. Alright, that looks good. These are, of course these are a bit thinner on the extended portions. A little bit thinner than I would have liked, but I think it still works. They're not actually magical weapons, forged by, ancient civilizations. So I understand, that they couldn't do it exactly like the show. If I can get these apart again without breaking it. There we go. Let's see if I can put them on the display stand the other way. Let's see. Bear with me. There we go. I guess they include the instructions for a reason, Learn from me, kids. Read the instructions. Alright. Yeah, love that display. I think that works really well. Alright, let's see if I can figure out how to get some batteries into these, and we'll check out the lights and sounds. Alright, there we have it. Each one takes 3 AAA batteries. The battery compartment is actually really well hidden under here. You twist this, that comes off, and then you unscrew these right here. And each one takes, like I said, 3 AAAs. Get that back on there. Yeah, it snaps in, really nicely well hidden. Alright, let's see how we fire these up. Oh, alright. So you get like an initial light up and then some swooshing and clash effects. Let's see. There we go. Let's see that. Alright, so it's kind of. There we go. Ooh, sorry. Alright. Cool. Let's see what these buttons do. An on or off switch. Surprised it doesn't play the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers theme. Ooh. Yeah, very cool, Didn't do it on the show, but it's a nice feature. I like the way it's very subtle around here. I like it. Pretty cool. Let's see if it. I don't know if it recognizes if it's put together. Let's see. There we go. Oh, it seems to be humming now. Like it kind of does recognize that it's together. That's pretty cool. You can see, so they do have a good weight to them. You can almost see a little bit of bowing if it comes down here, like it's holding it down, or I could just be imagining, I'm not 100% sure. But I'm probably not going to display it too long in the extended mode. I think that works. Pretty cool. So one thing I wanted to say, and Hasbro, if you're listening, let me shut this off. There we go, and there we go. So, I've noticed this in a lot of reviews and early, people that got it, and I was curious how they would handle it. So Hasbro, if you're listening, one thing that I would like to request in whichever is the final, power weapon to be issued, whether it's the bow or the axe, I think it would probably be one of those. We need caps on these if it's gonna form, the power cannon or the power blaster. Because, leaving them just like that to say they're on the bow, I don't think that would look too hot. So I think if you just make some like plastic caps, I'm actually surprised it didn't come with the lance itself. I think the daggers can probably, have their own built in, but because of the connectivity issue with these two, it, you kind of leave these open ends like that. So I'm politely requesting that at some point you issue, nice cap effects that can be, slotted onto each one for the final combination would look absolutely beautiful. So if you're listening, please take that into consideration. But yeah, so final thoughts. Looks really great. Smaller than anticipated, but understandable. Still a nice size. I think I like the, if I'm ever, using them or taking pictures with them, it's probably going to be, in the separate modes. Yeah, I like the way they had this displayed. I like the rock platform. It'll look really nice with the power sword. And yeah, maybe I'll get these. Maybe I'll get suited up and take them for a test drive. All right, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thank you.